We are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the smaller ice caps of all ice caps in Iceland. This ice cap covers the caldera of a volcano with a summit elevation of around 1651 meters, or about 5,400 feet. How do you go about pronouncing this Icelandic word? Eyjafjallajökull. It's actually way easier than you think. Let's have a look at how it would be spelled if we would spell it phonetically in English. Eyjafjallajökull, right? Eyjafjallajökull. Eyjafjallajökull, right? Pretty straightforward, right? Here are more videos on how to pronounce many long words and funny words to say, difficult words to say from all around the world. Much more fun. Watch those. See you there to learn more.